Hi, this is Infraready. We've been selling quite a lot of our trigger bears recently. They're ideal for ghost hunting. In November, well October, November, last Halloween in 2017, we collaborated with Be My Bear and we started to utilise their skins for building a bears, and really good quality. After the article that was published online, we've seen a lot of sellers on eBay using the same skins, so it's good to see that. Very good for Be My Bear. Our bears, which use genuine K2 circuitry for our EMF, can be found at infraready.co.uk. So there are a lot of bears out there on eBay that look similar to ours, but if you want the genuine thing, please give us a visit. So let's put this to a test. So on the back, just to explain, there's a Velcro fastening. The 9-volt battery sits in there, can be secured away. We've got the on button, so we've replaced the first green LED off the K2. So those of you that know how the K2 works, basically that shows the Earth's magnetic current, so that can be seen there, but we've replaced it, like I said, for a nice glow. There's a little heart. So the rest of the bear functions as normal K2 would. You can see it picking up a little bit from my EM pump there. So if I move it in, you'll see that it goes from green, yellow, amber and red to a full scale of the normal deflection of the K2. We also sell REM bears and static trigger bears as well. I think there's about 6 or 7 bears in total. As suggested, they can all be found at our website, infraready.co.uk. You can contact us through the website if you've got any questions. You can also see the rest of our bears and demos on how they work on the website or via our YouTube channel. Thanks for looking.